Hello everyone, this is Graham from Unbox Tech Reviews, where today we're going to have a look at the Elephone E10 6.5 inch 4G smartphone. We'll start by having a quick look at the box. So got some information about the phone there. It's 48 megapixel quad camera. So you've got a 48 megapixel, a 13, a 5 and a 2. It's got 6.5 inch HD water drop screen, NFC, 4G LTE. Bit of information on the back there. So it's running Android 10, 4 gig RAM, 64 gig ROM, 4000 milliamp battery, and it's got the 6.5 inch in-cell screen with the resolution of 720 by 1560. And more information on the cameras. Front camera is 13 megapixel. So we shall open it up and have a look. So in the box we get the phone there. Inside here, got your SIM tray removal tool, got a screen protector, information there about the battery, got a case which we'll have a look at the end of the review. And you've got your USB to Type C cable, charging and data transfer, and this one I believe comes with an EU plug, so you will need an adapter for using this charger in the UK. And that is everything in the box. Let's put that to one side and we shall start having a look at the phone. So you can see it's got a glass back as well. So we'll take this off. You can see the display. So like I said, this is a 6.5 inch LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1560, and it's got an aspect ratio of 19.9, and it's got a 90.3% screen to body ratio. On the bottom there you've got your Type C, speaker port, volume, the SIM tray on that side. Got your quad camera setup on the back. Got your power button and fingerprint rocker there, and your volume rocker. I've already set this phone up, so we'll have a quick go firing it up. So you've got, this is running Android 10. So you've got your SIM tray in the bottom there. I've already preloaded some apps on to give them a test, see how it runs. So you can see it's got quite a chunky bezel at the bottom and a bit of a thinner bezel, but noticeable around the sides. A nice size in the hand. It's got a 4000 milliamp battery. And this is a dual SIM phone, and it'll take a micro SD up to 512 gig. I'll check that fingerprint. The fingerprint scanner works really quickly. A quick look at the camera. I did take some pictures earlier. these pictures in the review so you can see the difference in them. Zoom, checking the zoom out and the front camera and everything. I say this is a quad camera setup. So it has a 48 megapixel main camera, a wide angle camera, a depth sensing camera, a macro camera, and a 13 megapixel front facing camera, which is AI. So you get your standard Google apps on there. I'll have a quick look. It's handy that this will take a micro SD up to 500 gig as well, so if you wanted to, you can put loads of storage in there. It's got NFC as well, so you can use wireless payments with this. So it's got the fingerprint scanner on there as well, which is a nice touch, works really well. A bit of information about the phone there on the bottom. There's the hardware information. It's got the MTK6762D processor, which is an octa-core processor running up to 2 gigahertz, and it's got the GE8320 GPU running at 650 megahertz. For the price point in this phone, you do get a lot of phone. Go ahead and have a look. See, I've downloaded some of my streaming apps as well. With a nice big screen, this will be perfect for streaming. Nice responsive screen there. So this, like I said, the screen resolution means you're only going to get 720p playback. You'll not get full HD, but for the price point, it's pretty reasonable. Sound out the bottom speaker there. Seems really good, nice and clear. See, Netflix works really well. All the other streaming apps are going to work well. I downloaded a quick game so we can have a look at the gameplay and process. Nice and smooth gameplay. No lag at all in the gameplay there. That's absolutely fine. And quick look from YouTube.
Hello everyone, this is Graham from Unbox Tech Review.
I say that all works fine. switch between the open apps really easy. No delay, no lag or anything. Straight back into the game there. So that works really well. So I'll include some of the photos and the video clips so you can see the quality of the camera on there. But everything works as it should, standard Google operating system, so it's really easy to use. It's a nice size phone, not too heavy as well. Looks cool, the colour looks really nice. So it doesn't have a headphone jack, this one, so you'll need headphones with a USB-C connector or an adapter for USB-C to 3.5mm audio. It's quite fingerprint heavy, as you can see there. So I'll have a look at the case that it comes with. That's the case, nice fit. Makes it a bit more secure in the hand, a bit less slippy. A bit of bump protection. Doesn't affect the fingerprint scanner at all. So it's a really nice phone. So there we have the Elephone E10 6.5 inch 4G smartphone. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.